Hello, in front of me I've got Vivo Y01. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's enter settings and go to display. As you can see right here, we've got all settings for our display. We can change brightness level, enable or disable adaptive brightness, eye protection, dark theme, screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, and auto rotate screen. Then we can change color temperature between warm and cold. Next, we can adjust font size, font style, status bar to display real-time network speed, and battery percentage. Then we've got screensaver, full screen display of apps, and display at the top of the screen. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.